Like this one right here.
Yeah, but I had to take
okay.
nail.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too little.
Too little.
Yeah.
Do this. Just put that shingle back.
Okay.
Yeah, just put that shingle back.
That's shingles equal.
Yeah, yeah. And don't lift this more than 30 degrees when you nail it. Yeah, no more than 30 degrees.
Okay.
All right. You can see where it creased the shingles above, showing that it's not repairable. Front slope.